to Lagos Housewife Family Kitchen, and as always, I am Lagos Housewife. And as you know, I don't use seasoning cubes in my meals. I don't cook with it. So today I want to show you two pastes that really help my meals and bring flavor to my dishes. You know, I've told you about native soups. I've shown you so many things you can use: iru, crayfish, stockfish, uziza. But what about when we like cook rice, when we like cook yam, our sauces, our pasta, and things like that? That is what these two pastes will do for you. Of course, we all know the simple basic one: garlic, ginger, and onions. Yes, it is one of it. But the second one I'll be doing is, I call it my green paste, and it actually brings so much flavor to food. When I finish making it, I'll tell you examples of things you can use it for. So let's get started. You need a blender for this. The green paste, I'm going to be using green bell peppers, scent leaves. This is efirin, nchao. So scent leaves. To this, I'll be adding spring onions. That's the stalk of spring onions. I've removed the onion part of it, so I'll add this. Then final, yellow pepper. That's yellow chili pepper, what I call yellow rodo. I'll also be adding a little bit of oil to it, because I noticed that when I blend it like this and I put it in the fridge, if there's oil, it actually lasts longer. So you can freeze it or refrigerate it. So let's get started. I won't be adding water at all. No water. That's the pepper part and the green pepper. It's so flavorful. So this is the point where I'll add a little oil. Not much. Then let me cover it, because this time it can splash. See that? You cannot believe the flavor it has. The flavor is amazing. So let me pour this, rinse my blender, and then come and blend the second paste. So first one is done. That's the green paste. Let me now do the garlic, ginger, and onion paste. Inside this, the ginger, the onions, and garlic. Then bring it here again. This. I also add a little oil to this. Okay, let me cover also so it doesn't splash. Yes, second paste is ready. Let me pour it out, and then I'll come and tell you different things you can use it for. So this is the green pepper and scent leaf paste. You know the things I put. And this is the garlic, ginger, and onion paste. So let me tell you the different things you can use them for. Like if you want to make pasta, you can just take a little from both paste and add to your pasta. Then add your whatever spices you are using and whatever proteins you are using. Very delicious. Same with rice. If you like want to do egg sauce, you can just take a little, what they act as flavor. Another thing they can be used for marinade. You want to marinate chicken, take small from the two, combine, Right now I'm going to use the ginger, garlic and onion paste to boil chicken for stew. You can imagine the aroma, the taste, the flavor it will have. So you see the things I do that help me to cook without seasoning cubes. Little things. You can use it for marinade, use it in your sauces, in your stews, use it to make your pasta, your rice, use it for, you can even use it to boil rice, white rice. You already have your stew. Just take a little bit of the onion, garlic and ginger sauce, add it to your water to boil the rice. So many things. Don't worry, in subsequent videos you'll be seeing me using them. So go make your own, keep it in the fridge. If they are frozen, they can last for as long as 2 months. You can just be chipping, cutting small from it. If they are in the refrigerator, they can last for like 3 weeks. So till next time, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down there, and if you've not subscribed, click the subscribe button, and don't forget you can follow me on all social media, Lagos Housewife on Facebook, on Instagram. Have a lovely day. Bye.